we are going to discuss about my one village friend. He is living in village from childhood, but friend, he can speak English very fluently. Friend, he don't have any English atmosphere. Even also he can speak fluent English. Why he can? I spoke with him on call and I asked about how did you practice, how you improve your English speaking, and those things I will share with you in this video. Because what happened, friend, he was in 11th standard, right now he is in 12th standard, and that time he started to speak English. And but one important things about him, he is the most confident guy. He don't worry about anything. If a student was laughing on him when he was starting their English speaking, but he don't care about it. Same things you should have to do, friend. If you want to speak English, you don't care about a remaining person. Try to speak 100% at the starting time. Some minor mistake happen with everyone, and same things happen with him. He share with all his experience with me. What happened? He started in 11th standard and he was speaking English with his school teacher. There was one English teacher in his school and he was speaking little bit. But at the compare of the too much practice he did on social media. Means for example, he had some groups over there, people was interested to speak English. Even also he was using some apps, through that he was speaking English with another people. And friend, continuously he was improving. And one thing also he told me, he didn't practice grammar anything, only he was speaking, and through that he improved their English speaking. And one thing he was doing, he told me, at least while improving our English, we should remember 10 words. We should add a 10 vocabulary every day. Because what happens, once we will use new vocabulary in our conversation, our confidence will be improved to speak English. And it's too much important. You have to do only, friend. Because friend, if you want to improve your English speaking, you should start from right now. Don't worry about people. At least start. At least half and 1 hour. Try to speak. If you are hesitate to speak with the people, you should go in front of mirror and try to speak over there. Because this will be, your beginning will be most important for you. Once you started, automatically your confidence will be boosted. You will enjoy your English speaking and you will speak more and more. 100% one day I will make video with my friend, and remaining stuff he will share with you. And friend, if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon, because friend, next video notification you will get. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.